Welcome to my channel. Kwikset Keypad / Smart Locks Factory Reset. Step 1. Confirm your lock model. Check your Kwikset locks model, e.g., Smart Code 888, Halo 914, to ensure you follow the correct factory reset procedure. Refer to your user manual for specifics. Step 2. Gather a reset tool. Find a small tool like a paperclip or a small screwdriver. This will be needed to press the reset button. Step 3. Access the battery compartmental. Remove the battery cover or housing from the lock. For most Kwikset locks, the cover can either snap off or require a screwdriver. Step 4. Find the reset button. Locate the small reset button inside the battery compartment. It's often labeled reset and may look like a tiny hole. Step 5. Remove the batteries. Gently remove the batteries from the lock to temporarily cut power. Step 6. Press and hold the reset button. While holding the reset button, reinsert the batteries back into the compartment. Step 7. Continue holding the reset button. Keep pressing the reset button for 10 to 30 seconds until you hear a beep or see the indicator light flash. This signals the reset process is underway. Step 8. Reprogram the lock. The lock is now wiped of all previous codes and settings. Reprogram your user codes or reconnect it to your smart home system, as needed. Step 9. Test the lock. Test the lock by entering a default or newly programmed user code to ensure it is functioning correctly. Thank you for watching.